Want to enable ray tracing on Minecraft RTX? Let's get started. First, make sure you have a Windows 10 or 11 PC with an NVIDIA RTX graphics card and the latest drivers installed. Without RTX hardware, ray tracing won't work. Next, open the Microsoft for Windows edition. Since ray tracing isn't supported on Java, once inside, go to Settings and then Video. Scroll until you find Ray Tracing toggle. If your GPU is compatible, you'll see the option to turn it on. Now, to actually see ray tracing effects, you'll need an RTX enabled resource pack. You can download from the marketplace Minecraft, like free RTX worlds. After applying the pack, re-enter your world and you'll notice realistic shadows, reflections, and lightings. For smoother performance, go back to Settings and then Video and adjust render distance and enable DLSS if supported. This will balance visuals and FPS. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.